Good. All the way, let it go. Good. Just gonna take my hand and 4, 5. How did that feel? Yeah, peggy, peggy. And it's not on there. Get that knee up a little bit. Pull the knee a little bit up there. And then just drop into the left here. There. And how was that?
Been doing these smooth all day. Just like that. That was good, huh? Did you feel that all the way down?
Yeah, mostly my mid.
So I'm contacting the lamina right here. Let's just let it go. And adjusting straight P to A. And then down here, we're going to get a little bit lower. Look at that, already went. Good job. Okay. There we go. Yep, now let your head back. Look at that.
Okay.
Perfect. There we go. Good. Okay. Here, let it go. There it is right there. Good. Okay, let's turn it on your back.
Beautiful. Nice. Good. Deep breath one. Good. Perfect. Same thing other side. Deep breath. All the way. Good. Perfect. Awesome.
Okay. There you go. Yep. Got one more right here. I can feel it. Yep, right there. Well, you feel that? Oh, yeah. Here we go. I got you. Let me do this one, PDA too. That's it. Perfect. Good job. Okay, just keep breathing normal. Good girl. Yep, crack egg's gonna love you. Okay, just relax. Okay. Nice deep breath in. Keep your teeth together and relax. There you go. Just like that. Yep. And just let your head go in my hand. There you go. That's why we call it ring dinger.
Just let your body go. Loose here, loose, loose. Yeah,
Oh
good.
gosh.
Just let it go. Let you cough. Good. This is real light. Just drop your head a little bit. Bring your head down. There you go. There you go. Relax. All the way down. Keep going. Let your feet turn out. There you go.
Okay, just keep breathing normal. I'll catch you. There you go. Alright. There you go. Now you should have felt that all the way down. Oh yeah. Good. Drop it in my hand. That's it. Oh yeah. There we go. You feel that all the way down, Eddie?
Yes, sir. Can we do the opposites on the,
Oh, you went this way first. No, this way, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Oh boy. Yeah. There. There we go.
We do a little lift right through there.
And again. Here we go. Ho. Good. Good. Oh yeah. Big time. Bend your knee. Out like a flamingo. Nice. Bend your knee. Good. Oh yeah. Again. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. And rest yourself. And all their connections.
working it. The line of drive. It's already started to release, and now with the thrust, breathing out and back. And breathing out. Here we go, with the thrust. And back. With the thrust, here we are. And it release. And again. And with the thrust. And breathing out.
All the way, breathe. Good. Way, all the way. Ah, Yahtzee. Ah. Breathe all the way. Ah. Let it fall. Good. Good. And loose, loose, loose. All the way.
There you go. Crack addicts are gonna love you. There you go. Super. All right. Yeah, I'll go back and get it. I want you to keep your teeth together. Take a breath through your nose. Exhale. Oh, yeah. There we go. And he gets a lot of headaches too, so I'm adjusting his atlas. There we go. Good. And notice I'm contacting the lamina. There we go. Let this go. There we go. Good. There.
One more.
Were you playing when this happened?
Yes.
Relax here. Do that a little bit here. Alright. Good. Relax. Okay. Breathe in.
That hurts ribcage.
Breathe out. Give yourself a hug.
Drop it into the left knee. Enjoy that.
Yeah, always.
And now this will be C5, dropping a bit more. And we got a bit more there. And another good one.
Oh.
Relax for me. Excellent. All right. Completely exhale. Very good. Relax right here for me. Good. Relax here. Excellent. Completely exhale. Very good. Good. Lay face up for me. Very good. Feel that? Mm-hmm. Did you feel it through the spine?
Yep.
One more here. Very good.
Nice deep breath through your nose. There we go.
Oh, wow.
Yep. Yeah, just breathe. There we go. Okay, I got you. That's it. Perfect. Okay, I got you. There we go. Good. There we go. That's it. That's it. Boy, crack addicts are gonna love you. Okay. That's it. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Okay, good job. May have one more right there.
Beautiful. Perfect. Oh. Oh, yeah. Relax. Man. Oh, wow. Okay. My goodness. Whew. Nice one. Nice. One more. Oh, nice.
Okay. Wow. Great. Cross both arms. Give yourself a real big hug. Good. Very good.
Mike over here has.
Wow.
Let that bend right on over.
Let's see that second.
Let that loose. Good. Good.
I'm trying to get Allie to show me some dance moves so I could. That was terrible, I'm sorry.